Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on Looker enhances the security of your account by requiring a second form of verification. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Looker account. Start by logging into your Looker account using your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your login credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication option. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Complete the setup. After selecting your method, you will need to verify it. If using an authentication app, scan the QR code provided. If using SMS, enter the code sent to your phone. Once verified, save your settings to enable 2FA. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on Looker, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.